campers, today I'm going to be going over all of LUNO's storage options to make camping out of your vehicle a little more convenient. This is one of our favorites. It is our magnetic shoe and storage bag. It magnetically attaches to your vehicle with 4 magnets on the back side of it. Has a little pull loop so you can easily pull it on and off. It is waterproof from the top down, so you can actually store a pair of your boots, maybe muddy hiking shoes overnight, protects them from the elements, but it also lets them air out and drain if they need to. This is the LUNO seat back organizer, or as we like to call it, the nightstand of car camping, because it keeps all of your valuables nice and at reach. We have a small pocket here that is actually detachable using button snaps. You can keep your small items like medication, Advil, your glasses or chapstick in there. Room for a water bottle. You can even go larger if you need to. It stretches to even the bigger Nalgene's. Keep your phone close by. Has a small pocket for a headlamp so you can diffuse some light for nice reading light at night. And then a bigger pocket in the back for notebooks, tablets, whatever you need. This up here is the cargo hammock. It takes advantage of some otherwise unutilized space. 4 loops connect to your grab handles, as well as 2 loops to the back connect to your trunk hinges. There's plenty of loops on the hammock to hang whatever you need. There's a media pocket right here, which is a clear pocket so you can lay in bed at night, watch a movie on your phone or iPad or whatever tablet. There's slots up here, smaller pockets to slide things into. You also have a small pocket here in the main portion of it, so you can hold flatter items, some wet wipes, whatever you need. And then the whole net portion of the cargo hammock actually folds into itself, condensing into the main panel. So when you don't need it, you can hide it nice and out of the way. On the back of the cargo hammock, you can always use the straps to hang up items that need to dry, or string along a paper towel for easy access at the campsite. And lastly, we have our mesh duffel bag, which is great for all the bigger, bulkier items if you want to throw your comforter in there, sleeping bag, or maybe some things you want to air out. They're great for storing things like your life jacket, wetsuits, floaties, whatever you want for lake life, or maybe some smellier items like your dog gear, anything like that. It's perfect for keeping gear nice and dry and aired out when you need it. If you're interested in any of the products I went over today, check out the links in the description below. And for more resources, check out all the other videos we have on our page. And we'll see you out on the trails.
When you want to hit the road, bring everything you need and more with the Camp Galley Deluxe. Designed to be hung in use or laid flat on a tailgate or a camp table, the Camp Galley Deluxe is the versatile camp organization choice. Like a top kit for your camp kitchen, the Galley Deluxe hangs easily from your roof rack or wherever's handy for easy access anytime. Reinforced padded construction protects contents and holds its shape while in use. The Camp Galley Deluxe provides larger volume, which means more space to stash your cutting boards, dishes for 4, and dishcloths too, while 3 zippered pockets wrangle your spices, spatulas, tongs, and other tools. There's even a handy hanger for wet dishcloths or paper towels, so you can run your camp kitchen like a tight ship. And you can finally bid farewell to those dusty, disorganized storage bins. The Camp Galley Deluxe zips to keep your camp kitchen clean. The new Camp Galley Deluxe from Kelty. Let's take this outside.
Here we have the SJK utility bin, ideal for any off-road adventure. The heavy-duty strapping system is compatible with any tailgate or spare tire system. You simply put the bag on and crisscross the straps, securing it nice and tight against the back of your vehicle. The utility bin is super versatile. You can store pretty much anything you want in here. Extra gear, firewood, anything that won't fit inside the cab. It is lined with a waterproof liner, so it keeps everything secure and waterproof. There's a secure accessory pocket here in the back with a zipper closure. It's got extra PAL systems here, so you can attach any extra storage boxes, compartments, batteries, whatever you need. The utility bin, a great addition to your Overland gear collection.
Oh hey, today's a special day. Lid organizer installed, brand new. Boom. So this is basically the same install as a MOLLE panel for your rugged cases, just a little different. So it doesn't matter which case you have, everything you need is actually right inside this pocket when it comes to hardware. So we'll unzip that real quick. We've got 12 screws and 2 Velcro straps for attaching onto the MOLLE webbing. Sits on the base of this pocket. You can attach a few different accessories if you want to, but we're just gonna be using these screws. There's 12 of them. Here we go. The only tool that you will need on this install is a 4mm Allen key, preferably one with a round end. This helps with the install. The most important tip that I can give you is to do everything hand tight first and then go back and use your Allen key. So we're gonna just do that right now. Another quick tip on the 105, what I found for the install is to do the bottom 2 first and then work your way up. All right, I got everything finger tight, and I'm gonna go back with the Allen key and go ahead and tighten everything down. We're stoked on these new lid organizers. We hope you guys are too. Be sure to tag us on all of your adventures. We love seeing what you guys are doing with your products. So cheers, guys. Now I need a thumbnail. How do people do that? Rock on.
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
We're smiling on top of the world.
fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.